Hey guys, welcome to the video. I wanted to walk you through. We just did a hot tub installation here in Ridgefield, and there was a lot of exposed pipe on the outside of the house, and we needed to match some existing pipes, try and make it look good. So I'm going to turn around and show you what we got. All right, so we came out with an LB 90 down. We have this existing 3/4 inch conduit is for their PV system. It's up on the roof. So it came through, matched it, got a couple angles, goes down. Try to keep equal spacing. The PV conduit is actually not very plumb level and square, if anybody's but got it nice and equal, matched up. Straps where we could. Unfortunately, couplings didn't quite fall into place. Came down the hill to an LB. We snuck in here. So down here, I put a C conduit just in case the hot tub is actually within 5 feet of the heat pump here. We might have to run a bond wire. And comes over low, 90s up into spa disconnect here, 50 amp GFCI. Need one rigid strap for PVC. And then when we come back, this will be right on the outside of the hot tub with a little LB conduit body. Disconnects over 5 feet away. It's actually 6 feet, and the receptacle is over 6 feet also per code. So nice clean little install. If you like it, give me a thumbs up.